Hi all, welcome back to our maths and physics classes. Today we are dealing a fundamental topic in physics, that is impulse and impulsive force. So first of all, we can analyze what is impulsive force. Impulsive force simply means a very large force acting on a body for a very short time interval. A very large force acting on a body for a very short time is called impulsive force. For example, a batsman is hitting a cricket ball or a footballer is kicking a football. In these cases, the time taken will be very small, but the force we are giving will be enormous, isn't it? So in such cases, the force is called impulsive force. And the product of this force and the time interval taken, it is known as impulse. Okay. So what is impulse? The product of the large force F and the time interval taken will give us impulse. Let me denote the large force by capital F and the time interval by delta t. Why we are using delta t means the time interval will be very small. So to represent that we are using delta t. Therefore force into time, that is F into delta t, will give us the impulse. So impulse is equal to F into delta t, that means force into time. Its SI unit is Newton multiplied by seconds, that is ns. Okay. Now we are going to derive a derivation or a relation between the force and momentum. Okay. That means we know what's the equation of force. F is equal to mass into acceleration, that is F is equal to ma. Okay. We know that what is acceleration? Acceleration means change in velocity divided by time interval. This change in velocity can be represented as delta v. Okay. So instead of acceleration, what we can write? Delta v divided by t. T for time. So we can see on the screen F is equal to ma. In that, for the acceleration a, we can write delta v by t. Now what we are going to do? We are going to multiply both sides of this equation by the quantity t. Okay. Then what we will get? F into t is equal to m into delta v. F into t is equal to m into delta v. But in this, we have studied just a few seconds ago, this force into time can be written as impulse. And we know what is momentum. Momentum means mass into velocity. And the momentum is represented by capital P normally. So if mass into velocity is momentum, then m into delta v, that means mass into change in velocity, it will be change in momentum. That means in this equation, the right side, m into delta v, it gives us change in momentum. And the left side of this equation, F into t, that means force into time, it will give us impulse. Okay. So what relation we got now? Force into time is equal to m into delta v. That means impulse is equal to change in momentum. It is an important relation. Impulse is equal to change in momentum. Also, this impulsive force, it's a very large force. So this force we cannot measure directly. Then how we will get this force? We will get that force by using this formula. Impulse is equal to change in momentum. So concluding this topic, Impulsive force means it's a very large force acting on a body for a very short time interval. That impulsive force multiplied by the time interval, we will get impulse. And the impulse F into T, it is equal to change in momentum. Hope everyone has understood the idea. If anyone is having any doubts, just comment me in the inbox. Then I will clear your doubts. Also, if anyone needs online classes for maths or physics subjects in English or Malayalam language, contact me in the WhatsApp number 9633444030. So thank you all. We can see again the next day with a new topic. Bye.